A scathing letter from Denver's former longtime district attorney accusing the police department's second in command of mishandling a sexual assault case.
Denver 7 Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kowaleski's exclusive new developments tonight. Tony, you just talked to the woman the former DA says was wrongfully arrested in connection with this case.
And Shannon, lots of finger pointing, lots of passion here to share with you tonight. Bottom line, this all centers on allegations of sexual assault leveled last year against a now former Denver police officer. You may recall last May, police arrested that former officer, Davin Monk. Then a few days later took a woman named Angela Arnott into custody, accusing them both of sexual assault. Just a day after police announced Arnott's arrest to the public, they let them both go and announced neither would be charged. This letter, written in May, has now surfaced, given to us by high-ranking sources. It's from the former DA to police chief, Denver's police chief, criticizing the second in command, Matt Murray, and his direction of the investigation, saying police rushed to arrest Arnott before looking at the victim's phone for information that exonerated her.
We shouldn't put somebody in jail when we know full well that we're never going to be able to charge them. And in this situation, all they had to do is look into that cell phone. They had permission to do it. They had the code to do it, and they didn't do it.
Tony, I think one of the things that's really important that people understand is there cannot be a double standard. The public demands that we treat police officers and their accomplices the same as we would treat anyone else.
Deputy Chief Matt Murray told us he and his department did nothing wrong in this case. Murray says he was involved in Monk's arrest, but he was actually out of town when Arnott was arrested. Now, just a short time ago, we sat down with Angela Arnott, the woman arrested and then released in the case. She says this whole thing has turned her life upside down.
I always believed in our system, and this makes me not. I thought that when anything happened, that it's always supposed to be you're innocent until proven guilty. And they basically said I was guilty from day one.
Now, we will continue digging into this in the days ahead. There's a lot more to this story. We'll have reports for you later in the week. Ann?